What if I told you there's a food that's naturally sweet, incredibly comforting, and easy on your wallet? A food that feels like a treat, but is secretly working overtime for your health? Imagine something that could deliver a steady stream of clean energy all day long, sharpen your vision, fortify your immune system, and most importantly, promote incredible gut health, all without wrecking your diet. Well, meet the humble yet mighty sweet potato. And let's get a few things straight. This powerhouse vegetable is not just for the holidays. It's not just orange. And it is definitely not boring. Over the next few minutes, I'm not just going to list the benefits. I'm going to break down the science in a simple way, show you exactly how to cook them for maximum nutrition, and give you practical ways to fit them into your life. Let's dive in. Benefit number 1. Steady, feel-good energy. Forget the quick sugar rush from a candy bar that leaves you crashing an hour later. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber. Think of it like a time-release energy capsule. Your body digests them slowly, giving you a gradual and sustained release of glucose into your bloodstream. The translation: fewer energy spikes, fewer afternoon slumps, and more focused, get stuff done hours. And here's a pro tip to supercharge this effect. Cool your sweet potatoes after cooking. This process increases something called resistant starch, which acts even more like a fiber, slowing digestion further and feeding your good gut bacteria. We'll talk more about that in a bit. Benefit 2. Eye power. That brilliant orange color isn't just for show. It's a sign that it's loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. When you eat it, your body cleverly converts that beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A is absolutely essential for good vision. It helps form rhodopsin, a pigment in your retinas that allows you to see in low light. So yes, eating sweet potatoes can literally help your night vision. To get the most out of it, always pair your sweet potato with a little healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil or some avocado. Vitamin A is fat soluble, meaning it needs fat to be absorbed properly. Benefit 3. Your immune system's backup. Think of your immune system as an army. That vitamin A we just talked about, it's crucial for maintaining the integrity of your mucosal barriers in your gut, lungs, and nose, which are your body's first line of defense against pathogens. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also a fantastic source of vitamin C, another antioxidant that helps your immune cells function at their best. Together, these vitamins and other antioxidants help your cells handle daily stress and fight off invaders. Benefit 4. A happy gut. This might be the most important benefit of all. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and keeping the good guys happy is key to everything, from digestion to mood. Sweet potatoes contain 2 types of fiber: soluble and insoluble. Insoluble fiber adds bulk, promoting regularity, while soluble fiber feeds your beneficial gut bacteria. And remember that resistant starch? It's a superstar prebiotic, meaning it's prime food for your microbiome. A happy gut means better digestion, less bloating, and a stronger immune system. A quick word of caution: if you're not used to a high-fiber diet, start with smaller portions, maybe half a cup, and let your gut adjust gradually. Benefit 5. A blood pressure friend. Most of us get too much sodium and not enough potassium. This imbalance can contribute to high blood pressure. Sweet potatoes are a potassium powerhouse. Potassium helps your body flush out excess sodium and relaxes the walls of your blood vessels, both of which help lower blood pressure. It's a simple, natural way to support your heart health. As always, if you have any kidney issues or have been told by your doctor to watch your potassium intake, please check with your clinician first. And finally, benefit 6, brain and skin glow. While orange sweet potatoes are famous for beta-carotene, their purple cousins have a secret weapon, anthocyanins. These are the same powerful antioxidants found in blueberries and are linked to improved brain function, memory, and overall vascular health. For your skin, the combination of vitamin C, which supports collagen production for elasticity, and vitamin A, which helps with cell turnover, gives you a healthy, natural glow from the inside out. Okay, you're sold on the benefits, but how do you bring them home? When you're shopping, look for small to medium-sized sweet potatoes with firm, smooth skin. Avoid any with soft spots, wrinkles, or cracks. Store them in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place. Not the refrigerator, which can make the center hard and affect the taste. For prep, a good scrub under cool water is all you need. The skin is packed with fiber and nutrients, so I recommend leaving it on whenever possible. Now for the fun part, cooking. My absolute favorite method is roasting. Cube them up, toss with a little olive oil, salt, and your favorite spices like smoked paprika or cinnamon. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 425 degrees Celsius until they're caramelized and tender. You get those irresistible crispy edges and a creamy, sweet center. In a hurry? The air fryer is your best friend. Cut them into wedges, toss with a tiny bit of oil and seasoning, and air fry for about 15 minutes for a result that's golden on the outside and perfectly fluffy inside. And if you love a good mash, try this smarter swap. Replace half the butter and cream with plain Greek yogurt. You'll get the same creaminess with a protein boost and a pleasant tang. Sweet potatoes are a team player. Pair them with protein like eggs, salmon, or rotisserie chicken to make it a complete meal. Add healthy fats like avocado, tahini, or a sprinkle of nuts, and toss them with leafy greens like spinach or kale for even more nutrients. Is the sweet potato skin trash? Absolutely not. Eat the skin. It's where a lot of the fiber is. Just give it a good scrub. One important note, the skin contains oxalates. So if you're prone to kidney stones, you might want to peel them or enjoy them in moderation. So here's my challenge to you. Add sweet potatoes to just one meal this week. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. If this video helped you see this humble root in a new light, tap that like button. And I really want to know, what is your absolute favorite way to eat sweet potatoes? Drop it in the comments below.